Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I edit my YouTube thumbnails. It's a very simple process, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Open the Canva app. It's easily available on the Play Store. After opening, the first thing you need to do is click on YouTube thumbnail. Canva already has a lot of templates. You can use them, or if you want, you can start from scratch. Now take a background. Here, I'm choosing a ripped paper background. Next, I added a hijabi girl cutout. I got this cutout from ChatGPT, and to enhance it, I used the shadow effect from the effects section.
There are lots of options here, and I usually choose the shadow effect. You can also select the outline effect, or whichever suits your background best. After that, I go to elements and add some heart shapes because my drawing is related to that. Honestly, hearts just make everything look so much prettier and more lively. You can play around with their size, color, and placement, scatter them around for a fun vibe or keep them neat for a clean look. Basically, add them wherever your design feels like it needs a little extra love. Next step, I add image of my drawing. To highlight it, I increase the brightness, highlights, sharpness, and clarity. You can also remove the background, but in this case, I didn't, because it wasn't removing properly, so I left it as it is. Now comes one of the most important parts, the video title on the thumbnail. For this, I go to the text section and add bold, clear fonts so the title is easy to read even in small size. I usually use contrasting colors so that the text stands out from the background. You can also add effects like shadow or outline to make it pop even more. Now it's time for the final touch. Here I used a ripped paper line. If you type ripped paper line in Canva, you'll get plenty of options. I used it because I wanted everything to look merged and well blended. And that's it guys, our thumbnail is ready. Easy, right? If you'd like more tips and tricks like this, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next.